Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making split peas and red lentil soup. For the full recipe, please kindly stick around until the end of the video. Begin by dicing your celery, onions, and carrots, and mincing your garlic. Next, wash and drain your yellow split peas and your red lentils and set aside. On medium-high heat, drizzle some olive oil and sauté your garlic and onions until softened. Next, add in your celery and your chopped carrots and sauté for approximately 2 minutes. You will need black pepper, paprika, turmeric, thyme, and whole bay leaves. You can also add chili powder, which is optional. It is now time to add in your split peas, your red lentils, and your spices, leaving out the bay leaves, and combine for about 1 to 2 minutes to toast. So now that I'm done toasting, it is now time to add in your bay leaves. As you can see here, I've just added in my bay leaves into the pot. It is now time to add in your stock and your water. Feel free to use any kind of stock that you have. For me, I'm using vegetable stock, but you can also use chicken stock as well. Combine well and bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low to medium to simmer. At this stage, you can add in salt and pepper if you wish, and also please make sure to check your soup every 10 minutes or so to check the consistency and thickness and to make sure it's cooking perfectly. So my soup looks just about ready. It's at the 40-minute mark here. I'm just about to take out the bay leaves and I'm going to serve up a bowl of soup. The time it will take to complete this dish is approximately 1 hour, and it would yield 4 to 6 servings. Here are the main ingredients you will need to make your very own soup at home. And there we have it, family. This is my homemade version of split pea red lentil soup you can enjoy any time of the year. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.